This scammer tried to steal my dad's Microsoft account for a form of phishing called HTML smuggling phishing. Let's see how it works and how we can spam fake info into this scammer's bot. The way it works is by downloading a file which you think is a PDF, but it actually is an HTML file. Then when you go to open it, it brings you to a browser, and in this case, it asks for your Microsoft login info, but it could be for like any website. Now this is when my dad thought it was sketchy for a PDF to ask for his Microsoft login, so he stopped it at that point. But if someone didn't stop and filled out the login info and click submit, then you would have in this case been redirected to Microsoft's official page and got your info stolen. Now this is quite easy to avoid if you pay attention to the file extension, like how a text file ends with .txt, a PDF file will end with .pdf, not .html. Also, if you look at the URL, you can see that it's not Microsoft's official sign-in URL, it's the file running locally on your computer. Lastly, this is a fake Microsoft login. It isn't well made. If you look at the CAPTCHA, it's clearly broken. Also, the majority of the buttons aren't even working either. The first thing I checked was what information the scammer even gets. So I found out they would steal the victim's email, password, and the IP address. Then from that IP address, they can see the region, the city, and the country, and the internet service provider. They also get the time, date, and the user agent when the info is submitted. So in my Python script, I asked ChatGPT to generate a lot of names in a list. Then I wrote code to randomly choose a name and then pick a number between 70 to 90 and add a random domain such as Gmail, at Yahoo, or at Outlook. For the fake password, I had to generate a random one by randomly choosing each character, but I'm not too happy with it since the passwords look like the ones that Google generates. This is getting too boring now, so I'll just show you guys all the code. Now before I run the code, I want to show you how I found out the Telegram bot's API key and their chat ID. So in that same HTML file, their API key is in there, and the AI that wrote the code said it was secure, but if you just copy paste this into a base64 decoder, you'll get the API. Lastly, from that chat ID, I got the scammer's account and their username, but please don't interact with these types of people, and this video is only meant for educational purposes only. Okay, let's run the code now. Not much fake info was sent before they deleted their API key, but I'm glad they have to waste their time now by updating all of the other scam sites with the new API. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.